Imagine your job being copied in silence. Not by a person in your seat, but by a system that studies everything you do. Every file, every draft, every response. It learns the pattern. Then it does the pattern. Replacement starts small. A research note here. A first draft there. Simple edits. Routine reports. Tasks move off your desk and into software. Nothing dramatic happens. The calendar still fills. The inbox still pings. The work just moves faster, and it moves without you. Speed wins. What took a day now takes a minute. Nights and weekends do not exist for a machine. Deadlines become settings. Turnaround becomes instant. Clients learn to expect it. Managers learn to demand it. Cost wins. A subscription is cheaper than a salary. A server is cheaper than a department. Finance sees output rise while spending falls. Budgets tighten around the tool that does not take breaks. Consistency wins. The style guide is never forgotten. The brand voice is never off. Legal phrasing is exact. Compliance is logged. Errors drop. Dashboards glow green. No one argues with a green dashboard. Data wins. Each task becomes training. The system learns from everyone's work, not just yours. Your best ideas fold into the model. Your edge turns into the new baseline. The more it learns, the less it needs you. Integration wins. The system sits inside the tools you already use. Documents, design, code, support. It connects to email, chat, tickets, calendars. It triggers automations you never see. Work happens between clicks. Metrics win. Throughput up. Error rate down. Time to deliver near zero. The chart decides what stays and what goes. The chart does not measure morale. It measures speed and savings. Procurement wins. One vendor replaces 5 hires. One renewal replaces a hiring plan. The question shifts from, who do we add, to, how many credits do we buy? Headcount becomes a line that trends down. Language changes. Job posts drop. Creator, ad, operator. Experience with artificial intelligence, required. Interviews become demonstrations of how well a person steers a tool that already knows the route. Freelancers feel it first. Platforms ship built-in assistants that answer briefs before a human opens the page. Delivered in 5 minutes, stops being a boast. It becomes the default. Middle management feels it next. One manager with a model does not need 2 new hires. Performance reviews become about exception handling, not craft. Career ladders lose rungs because the rungs have been automated. Then structure follows. Pilots become policy. Policy becomes software. Software becomes the way work happens. The meeting about reorganizing never needs to happen. The reorganization is already live. No villain is required. The system prefers faster, cheaper, more consistent, more measurable. Artificial intelligence offers all 4. That is why the decision tips. That is why the badge stops working. If a task can be described, it can be learned. If it can be learned, it can be repeated. If it can be repeated, it can be replaced. This is how it happens. Quiet at first. Total later. Not personal, just efficient. Not loud, just final.